Hello, hello, hello. Do, 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 do. So here we are. This is video 3, I think, of bag 5. Yes, count them 5 of building assembly square. Look, we're up. We're all level now, but we have more to build. Yes, we have this level to go. So I'm going to move this very, very heavy. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Assembly square over to my little table. Look, hello, I'm back. Right, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for me. Yes, liking and subscribing is awesome. It is. And share the channel. Add me to your playlists. I am telling you now. No, I'm joking. Right, so we're doing, let's put that on silent, shall we? So all you'll hear now is Right, we're doing the ballerina part now. Hers. I want my dance studio. So that's what we're doing, her dance studio. Let's get moving in. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the beauty is everything is out already, so I don't have to open bags or anything. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's not a good start. Maybe not. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Right, so keep saying right. I'm very sorry. That's got to go in the middle because we're building the floor. A bit like we did with the musician station. We are building the floor, so all the baby bits need to come here. Now this is going to be the fun part because now all the bits will start to disappear because I'll use them all. But you know what I mean. It will start not to look so daunting because you don't have brand new bags. No. No. I'm unstoppable. I'm about to Right. I'm unstoppable today. Sorry, I got that song in my head. It's because I've just been on the phone. And that's my ringtone. So, yeah. That's the song I will be singing in this video. It is. I'm very sorry. I'm unstoppable. Sorry. I'll stop eventually. At least I've not been watching TikTok today. It was quite funny. The other day, we went for an appointment at the doctor's. And it was so funny. I got back in the van because obviously you have to go in on your own now. You can't, nobody can come in with you. Which is really fun with the narcolepsy, but can't really do much about that. And I got back in the van. It was so funny. I'll tell you in a second why it was funny. Mr. Producer started, so I'd left him in the van, right? And I got back in the van. I can't find that piece. This is why I keep stopping and starting, because I can't find the piece that I'm looking for. We're going to need the stairs. Just want a grey bit, but a long grey bit, and it's here. It's here waiting for me. Yeah, got back in the van. I'll tell you now. I'll tell you. I will tell you. And Mr. Producer all of a sudden started singing TikTok songs. He'd been on TikTok that whole time. I'm just gonna stop laughing. Normally it's me. I'm terrible for singing TikTok songs. I am terrible. To be honest, I haven't been on TikTok today. Have I? Yes. I have, sorry. That's me telling a lie. I have been on TikTok today. I went on once earlier on. That's not right. Because they're meant to be level. And they're not level. No. So what have I done wrong? 2, 4, 6. Put too big a piece in. I'm here looking for the bigger piece and I don't need the bigger piece. 2, 4, 6. That is the bigger piece. So do I need a longer one of these grey pieces? Is it? I bet I do. So yeah, it's funny. Because it's like, it always tells me off for singing TikTok songs. Because I like TikTok. I do. Not necessarily, I have got a TikTok account, but I'm not as active as I probably should be to get seen properly. But I like watching it. I'm terrible for it. Yeah, I'm terrible for it. Oh, and now they're not level again. Come on. What's the crack? 2, 4, 6. So that is too long. They're too long. Why are they now the same level? They're the right level now. Don't quite grasp that. So what holds them together? I'm unstoppable today. That's what holds them together. I'm doing it the wrong way around. You would think I would know that from me just doing the exact same thing on the musician part. I will learn. I will learn. I doubt it, but I will learn. It's because I'm talking about TikTok. It's distracting me. TikTok is the devil. It's distracting me. It's distracting me. Concentrate on the Lego. Right. 2 singles. At least this time I won't get thingy because I can't find any 2s. That's got to be a plus. That has to be a plus. Because this time I've got them all, you know? Because I'm clever. Because I'm clever. Clever, 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 clever. Because I'm clever. Look, they're going in. They're going in. 2s. If you want to know what I'm on about, if you go back to video 1 of bag 5, you will notice that I got in all a kerfuffle. Big kerfuffle. Because I couldn't find some pieces. So I'm like, oh, Lego hasn't given me them. It's terrible. What are we to do? Turns out I'd not got the bag out with all the pieces in. Yes, so, oopsie. But never mind. So now, this video, fingers crossed, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, touch wood, should go without a hitch. Should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you know what? The only way to find out is to crack on and build it. So I'm hoping to do this in 2 to 3 videos, this bag. And then tomorrow, I've just got bag 6 to do. And then assembly squares done. And then I can move on to others. Oh, how many? Excuse me. Sorry, I've had lunch and dinner in between. I've had a really nice dinner, actually. I think it was nice. I've had salmon, green Thai salmon stir fry. But I left the green Thai part out. Yes, I did. 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, one more. What? Wait there. Let me double count this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, there is only 11. You never know with my counting at the moment if I've counted it right or not. 12. So I need 2 single whites. you have to excuse the noise if you can hear any noise, because they're on their Xboxes, because they've done the homework, so they're playing on their Xboxes, as well as playing Lego, as well as, yeah, doing everything that they want. Because Mama's in here building Lego, and they can play havoc with Mr. Producer. Poor bloke. Right then, let's get building it. I'm going to try and build it this way round, so then you can see what I am building. That is my plan again. So I tried to do that on the last one, and it did kind of work. I do confuse myself though, more than anybody else. No, not that one. That one. Thanking you. I'm unstoppable. Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning, it's time to say hello. Good morning to you, even though it is night time. And I've been building Lego all day. Can't be bad though, can it? Building Lego all day and still not having it completed. Tell you now though, I would have had it completed if I found that bag. I tell you now. Right, next page is blue ones and single ones. So 4 of them, 2, 3, 4, 1 of them, and 5 of these, I presume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm unstoppable. Put the 2 singles together. They go on top of the white. You know something, right? I'm here saying about seeing what I'm doing and everything. I've not brought you down. That entire first 10 minutes, you've been watching me and not what I've been building. And do you know something? I've only just noticed. So I'm very sorry about that. That's not straight. There we go. That saves your fingers if you do it like that. Little tricks for you. Look, get another Lego piece. Press on. And it goes straight. Because they do have a habit of not staying straight. Those ones do. Right, so go this way around. The single one's coming this side this time. So this is the dance studio. Or at least part of the dance studio. Right. Next. 2 of them. 2 flat whites. I feel like I should be having a coffee when I'm saying 2 flat whites. 2 whites there. 1 full white. 3 single blues. And 3 big ones. 1, 2. Don't drop on the floor. Oh! Nearly lost it. Nearly. Only nearly. Okay. I'm getting all excitable. I've got to calm down. I'm missing a piece. 1, 2. So onto the white we go. Onto the white we go. I'm sorry about the creaking. It's the chair. So we want a 2 there. Then a 1. Then one of these. Then a white flat. Okay. This is probably for the window here. I presume so. Don't quote me on it. I must admit though, you know how they built it or how they planned it for us to build. It looks really, really pretty at the back. I'll show you it in a second. You know, like the wall. I think it looks really, really pretty. Look. That just looks so cool. This is probably weird like that. Ta-da-da-da. 1, 2 of them, please. 2. Don't need a grey piece at the moment. 2 of these. 1 white 4. 1 white 3. A white 3, please. Thanking you. And 2 ones that hurt your fingers. Okay, next. So that goes over all of that. Goes on top of there. Oh, okay. 2 blue blocks there. 2 blue blocks. 2 blue blocks. 2 blue blocks. 2 blue blocks. And then a long one. Then another long one. And then a short one. Okay. So we want 1 dark grey. 2 of these. 3 big ones. 1, 2, 3. And 2 plain light blue ones. There we go. So we're starting here, working our way along. Then we want a 2. Okay, this is where I went funny last time. So we want 1 there, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 in between. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 that way. In fact, no, that's where the single one goes. Up 1, and there. It goes that way now. That way. This is not good. My chair is annoying me because it's got a creak. There we go. Next page. Right. Oh, it's the balance. It's the balance beam. Oh. Yay! Sorry. I'm such a big kid. It's ridiculous. 3 of them. Oh, we're running out of single light blue ones. Cool. Be like single white females. 2, 3. I like it when the table starts getting empty. It means I'm doing it right. It really does, honest. It doesn't help that the light is reflecting on my paper, my instructions. Not in the slightest does that help. 1, 2, but you guys can see better if you're lower down. So this is why we have you lower down. 2 light grey and 2 of them. 1, 2 of them. 2 light grey singles. 1 more. 2. 1 light blue and 5 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so here we go. That one there. One there. How many across? 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6. The 7th one, put that one. 2 doubles. And then dark grey. And then a 2. And then a darker grey. And I've got to have done that right because I've got room to put the double. Woohoo! Don't get too cocky. Don't get too cocky now. Right, on here, got to put the light grey ones to build it up a bit. Right, next page. Ooh, I gotta get the mirror out. Remember at the beginning, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who is the fairest of them all? Right, we're putting the stairs in as well. Right. I'm unstoppable. Right, the stairs always seem to trip me up. And I'm not entirely sure why. Because They are very simple to do, but they always seem to trip me up. And I think because I've already built stairs today, that one hasn't. Right, so I just need to turn it this way a minute and fix in my stairs. Stairs are in. Thanking you. And now we've got to put the mirror in. Where does the mirror go? Just slots in there. Okay. Never done a mirror in Lego. See yourself. Look at that. Woohoo! Right, so that slots in there. Like so. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Looks amazing. So, it really, really does though. We've got a window. We've got 2 windows. Putting in the windows. Supposedly. It's 1 window. 2 window, please. Second window, please, not 2 window. Oh, big door. Got a glass door. Got a glass door to the dance apartment. Okay, 2 windows. 1 grey one, 6, yeah. 3 of them. 1, 2. 1 more. 3 of them. 4. 1 blue ones. 2, 2, 3. 1 more. Come on, we're on a roll. 4 of them. Is that everything? I think so. 4 of them, 3 of them, 1 of them. Okay, right. We're going for the mirror first. Going to cover up the mirror. Or box the mirror in, not cover it up. And box the mirror in. So that sits gently on there. Okay, I'm sorry about that, but I've got to show you that closer. Does that not look awesome? That Lego. Do 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 do. Sorry. I'm not sorry in the slightest. Nope, I'm not, and I've done it wrong. That needs to go on top of there because there was a gap. You fit it in a minute ago. There we go, that's better. It's all sealed now. Right, so we put these 2 together and they sit there. Then we put the windows in over here. Thanks, please. Right, oh, we're building a piano. Oh, we're building a very small piano compared to the piano I've got to build. We're building a small piano. I've got in my possession, not mine, a friend of mine's again. Yes, he likes the big pieces. I've got the Lego piano. Yeah, the Lego piano. I've got the Lego piano to build, guys. Can you believe it? I can't, because it's so funny. I could never afford that, so it's the only way that I get to build things like this is when my friend buys them and goes, "Oh, can you build me this?" Yeah, okay, because there's no chance that I would have been able to. And that's not being down on myself. That's just being truthful. That's the 6s. We want 8s. And they're flat. We don't want them yet. Presumably we want them in a minute. 2 8s on top of each other. And on top of there. Then the 6s. That way. I wonder if building the big piano is as easy as building this small piano. I don't see it happening like that somehow. No, not in the slightest. I really don't. Because it's a working piano as well. It actually works. You can play the keys and everything. And so that means there's a mechanical part to it. Now, to me, mechanical means one thing. Technic. So he got his own back by letting me build it and going, ha ha, there's Technic in it. Thanks. Thanks a lot. We all know how really good I am at building Technic. Not. I'm not good at building Technic at all. But I'm going to give it a go because it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to build the Lego piano. It's like 400 something quid. No. No. They brought out a Colosseum. Now, it looks amazing built, but I don't sound funny. It's not one that I would want to build. Because I struggle building when they're all different colours. That Colosseum is the same colour throughout the whole build. The whole build. Not just a little bit of it. Every single brick is the same colour. Now, I've seen the actual Colosseum from the outside. We didn't get a chance to go in. But I've seen it from the outside. And it is an amazing piece of architecture. And they've put it into Lego. Now, that is amazing that they've put it into Lego. It is. But can you imagine how long that is going to take to build? Just to, like my friend does, sort it into tubs. The pieces. No. 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 No, thank you. Not on my bucket list at all. That one. Not at all. Come on. Fit. Why are you not fitting? You should be fitting. There we go. But now you're high up. That's not right. Tell you what I'll do. I will fit you on first. There we go. I want to scream. Oh, that's a piano. Sorry. I really am a big kid. How does that fit on top when that's sticking up in the air? It's not meant to be sitting up in the air, is it? Have I missed something? That's right. That's right. No, I haven't missed anything. Yep, that's right. 1, 2 on top. Then the 2 6s going that way. I think I missed a step there. I think I need another one of them. This does not bode well for me building pianos. What is happening? Why is... They're not the same height. Didn't even realise that that was. Why is that not the same height? Oh, because there's a 2 underneath it. But then, you know what I've done? That should be that way around. That's probably why I'm struggling, you know, because I put them on the wrong way around. There we go. Straight away. Straight away. Straight away, that fitted together. But at least I knew I'd done it wrong. There we go. That's on. One of them. One of them. 2 of them. And 1 of them. Hokey dokey. Turn that over. Put that there. Put that there. That one on there. That one on there. That's got to go to the top. There we go. That fits on the side. I think I've got to do the same on the other side. Two there. Okay. So 1 there. 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 And there. Okay. Done that the wrong way around. It's easily fixed. That one that way. And just move these 2 around. There we go. Ooh. We have a piano nearly. Gotta put feet on it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, dropping it. 4. Piano's done. Bring this back. Yep, pick it up with just the window down. That's always helpful. Now the piano sits in there. Phone vibrated. Oh, that looks amazing. I love it. Yeah, I love this. Little Miss is gonna absolutely freak at this. Right, so we've got to put the ballerina in, and they want her stood in front of the mirror. There. They want her on 1 foot, but I don't like them when they put them on 1 foot. I don't trust them. Right, so we want... They'll fall over when I put the lid on. I know they will. 2. 2 more, please. 3, 4. 2 dots. 1, 2. 1 of them. 1 circular. 1 last light blue one, and 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the last of them as well. So this is the height now. This is the last of the height, apart from when we put the flat bits on. So that is how tall it is going to be. Right, we've got to build a stool for the piano. Turn it over. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm in love. Right, we're building the door, so I'm just going to put that over there a second. We're building the fun part. These corner pieces that I really, really love. bring it back. Or I just put that on the wrong way around. So it goes on that way. Thanking you. Sorry, dude. Got to turn these white bits a little bit to be flush in with that. They'll go flush. Nearly. That'll do. Sorry, babe. Let's stand your back on where you want to be. There we go. Doors on. It also says we've got to build some things. Getting ahead of myself now. Chill. Come on. So 1, 2. 1, 2. Sounds like I'm doing the dance moves. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. A 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Right, get your piece. I've used up all my big pieces. Catch 22 and make it all straight. Where does that go? Goes in there. Now I'm going to do another one of them. So 1, 1 and 2. 1 more. Not you. No, thank you. Nope. Oh, 1 more with a sticky out a bit. There you are. Thanking you. Yeah. Yep. That one there. Right, next page. So it looks like we're going on to Windows. So I might see if I can get these done in this little bit of the video. I'm hoping. Right, what do we need? Because last time they were quite quick, weren't they? 1, 2, 3. So we do 3 at a time again. So we need 6 of the tall ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Windows. 1, 2, 3. Pick up the window. 3 windows. 1, 2, 3. So this is going to be the last part of this video. I will hopefully then get it done in just one more part. I know. I'm so slow at building Lego, it's ridiculous. I think because I confuse myself easily, that's why it takes me a while. And I make silly mistakes. Like if I'm talking about something, I'll forget what step I'm on or miss a step. Then, right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 of the small ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It helps that these windows are identical to the one that I've just done though. It does help. doesn't help that I just did only one on there instead of the two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 1, 2. Trap my skin in it. Don't know if you do the roof of this one. I don't know. How many of these? So 4 of these on each window. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One more. One more, please. Might have counted wrong. We'll find out. No, I am missing one. Got it. Right, so we're going to fit the windows in and then we'll sign up on this video. Just not my window flying. So, same as downstairs, they go on the bits that are sticking out there. Right then. It's looking amazing. So thank you for joining me. There should be only one more part to finish off this part of the build. So yes, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like it and subscribe, and I will see you all very, very soon. I love you loads.